Welcome to Roam Tips. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience with the product. Today, we're taking a look at Pathcom.com, a website offering an interesting approach to, well, we'll get to that. Navigating to Pathcom.com in your browser brings you to a landing page that, at first glance, appears somewhat minimalistic. Don't let that fool you. There's a lot more going on beneath the surface than initially meets the eye. While the design is clean and uncluttered, it also leaves you with a sense of intrigue. What exactly is Pathcom? What services do they provide? These are the questions that immediately spring to mind. A closer examination of the site reveals a focus on. Actually, I'm going to hold off on revealing that just yet. I want to explore the user experience a bit first. Clicking around, we discover. Okay, I'll be honest, unraveling Pathcom's purpose is proving to be more challenging than I anticipated. The website's minimalist design, while aesthetically pleasing, doesn't readily offer clear answers. This ambiguity, however, also makes it strangely compelling. You're drawn to explore further, to peel back the layers and discover the hidden functionality. It's like a digital onion, except hopefully without the tears. Each click presents a new piece of the puzzle, slowly revealing the bigger picture. Now, after a bit more digging, I think I have a better understanding of what Pathcom is all about. It appears to be focused on. You know what? I'm going to maintain the suspense just a little bit longer. I encourage you to visit Pathcom.com yourself and experience this journey of discovery firsthand. It's a unique online experience, and I'm curious to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Let me know what you make of Pathcom's minimalist approach and what you think they offer. Is it effective? Is it frustrating? Share your opinions. And don't forget to check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.